Today I'm going to show you guys the belt setup that I use for cleaning interior residential windows. Picked this one up from Lowe's for 30 bucks. Always carry a bunch of these microfiber cloths in the main pouch. Sometimes I put a squirt bottle in there as well. I use this straightforward Moerman bucket on the belt. Does the job, don't need to get fancy. Clips on fine. I love to use these Unger Ninja handles. I use the 14 as my daily. And here I'm clipping on the Xero Pro scrubbing pad. Does the job, nothing fancy. It has solid scrubbing power, just not a lot of water retention. This one is a 14-inch. And here is an 18-inch Mowerman T-bar with my favorite sleeve, the Unger Ninja. Does the best job out of everything by far. And every good window cleaner loves to geek out about squeegees. This one is the Mowerman Accelerator. I believe it's the 1.0 handle with the liquidator channel, 14 inches in length. I use that fairly often. And then this is the Accelerator 2.0 handle, 18-inch Xero channel on the blade. And I love how this handle cocks back like this. It locks in place, swivels. No better tool available for pull work at all. And then this is a straightforward Unger scraper with the holster. I believe it's the Ninja series as well. Does a great job, clips right on the belt. And then everybody's got to carry some steel wool around. Make sure you're using that Quad Xero extra fine. And these are the king of detailing. They're the Xero fish scale towels. I always have one. Gotta have the boot covers. Wear these every time I go inside. I used to use the disposable ones, but these ones have a much better shelf life. It is a must-have on your feet every time you go in. Don't make them smell your yucky socks. Keep your shoes on. Wear these instead. You'll never regret it. Then this is the Screen King. I've got a whole video about it. I love this tool. Keep it with me all the time. Clips right onto the belt. Hard to lose, but still possible. Trust me. Took me a few years of ruining my hands to realize I actually like wearing gloves. Protect your hands does a good job of protecting the glass from the oils on your hands. Always worth having them on you. These Zep spray bottles are fantastic. They can actually spray a long ways and they hold up a long time. I use the Moerman Soap. Gives great lubrication for those liquidator channels. And then I just hang it back on that loop every once in a while. Sometimes I'll just squirt the soap directly onto the applicator. Makes things easy. Nice and soapy too. And there you have it, folks. That is my belt setup. A place for everything and everything in its place.